Gala Games has been quiet for the longest time, and I believe that something really truly amazing is going to be happening for the project in the upcoming days. So make sure you guys watch this entire video. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be covering Gala Games once again. I'm going to be covering some of the latest price predictions for Gala Games. I'm also going to be covering some of the technical analysis which I think are going pretty well for Gala Games as of this very moment. Now, I know all of you holders out there are pretty worried for Gala Games because even though we are seeing projects such as Caspa, projects such as Jasmine making massive amounts of gains, we are not really seeing those similar kinds of movement with Gala Games. But guys, let me tell you something. This is a market where sideways action is something which you should be really interested in, because this is the time of stacking up before we see a massive move, just like we saw right over here. Now in the last rally, as you can see for Gala Games, we saw a price pump and a jump from about 314%. However guys, ever since then we have been in a constant downfall right over here, where we have dropped by about 55% from its recent all-time highs. Now, I'm not saying that is a good thing, but I'm not really saying that is a bad thing either. Because if no one was really willing to buy Gala Games at these price points, no one is going to be buying and selling, and the project is going to be going towards the downside. Right now, we are at a range where initial investors are still up on their money, but overall, Gala Games is down year to date, something like about 5 to 10%. Now, if we check out the volume graph, now this is where things start getting very interesting. It is not that Gala Games does not want to move. It is just that we don't really have enough volume to support Gala Games as on this very moment. So right now Gala Games is doing volumes of just like about 10 to 12 million dollars every single day, which is not a lot if you compare it with the other volumes, where the volumes was touching about 100 million and even like 500 million on some days. Now I know this only happens because and when some important news or some rumors start spreading about the project, but I think the overall way Gala is building up its platform, the likely move towards the upside is going to be coming sooner or later. Now we have seen this same thing happening with Caspa as well, where no such strong news has come. However, we see massive pumps in the project because the project is really well built. I believe we are going to be seeing the same thing with Gala Games as well in the upcoming days, and that is for in fact. Right now, Gala Games is trending sideways, as I had mentioned previously as well, and the most important resistance level for Gala Games right now to break is going to be this gray line right over here, which was also its previous and the recent all-time high at a price of about 0.086. If we compare it from the current price points, you can see that is about a 100% move from the current price points, which I believe Gala can easily make within just a matter of few days if we see some massive news coming along the lines. On the contrary guys, we are seeing some positives as well. Even though the volume is getting lower and lower, we are not really seeing any sort of selling pressure coming into place, which is really good to see. Now sometimes when a project is not really getting enough volume, we often see the project dumping really hard because the volume is not coping up. However guys, people are still buying up Gala Games and making sure that the buying pressure is still stronger than the selling pressure, and this is going to be a turning point for a lot of people out there. And the hack, as you can see some of the latest updates, which is from May, you can see that Gala Games post hack, they have also recovered the $22 million, and we have got DWF Labs buying 28 million Gala Games basically got stolen, and as you can see they have stolen about 214 million worth of Gala tokens. Gala has already recovered about 22 million tokens, but still a long way is left, and I believe investors just need to stay calm for some time, and patience is going to be something that is going to be testing us all in these markets, but it's going to be playing out really well if you guys are in it for the longer time frames. As far as my price targets are concerned, I still believe that Gala has a strong possibility of reaching a price target of about 0.1, which is about a 140% move from the current price points, and in the longer time I do expect Gala Games to reach a price target of about 0.14, which is about a 234% move from the current price points. By the way, guys, if you want to make massive amounts of money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. As you can see in the last two trades, we have got a profit of 254% on the first one and profit of 521% on the second one. If you guys want to achieve similar results by yourself, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The trade signal group link will be down in the description. I believe this is the best investment which anyone can make in themselves. I'm not telling you to buy just into my group, but you can also check out some of the other groups out there as well. My group is something which I have been really passionate about, and this is what I have been building for the longest time. I do all the research, I do all the analytics for you, and all you have to do is just copy and paste, and that can help you generate a lot of money, which is something which is the end goal for all of us people out there. Only limited spots are available, so make sure you guys grab onto this opportunity while it still lasts, because the last time when I had opened my group, we were completely sold out. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and as always, I'll catch you tomorrow with another one. Peace out.